guys, welcome back to Miles Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be guiding my lovely subscribers and viewers on how to set up MAYA TUN VPN application, MAYA TUN Pro VPN application on Airtel Uganda, so that you can enjoy a fast, a stable and a secure internet access. So let us head over to Google Play Store and then you download the application. I request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and I request you to like the video if you haven't yet liked the video. Then if you get any problem in the setup, the comment section is open, and then because while commenting, ensure to comply with the community guidelines. Let us search for MAYA TUN VPN application. This is the application I'm talking about, and after install that application on your Android device. After installing it, open. This application is faster than the other one I posted yesterday of BDNet on Airtel Uganda, because this one competes with real data in speeds. Let me consider the advert and then I'll join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. But for a moment, I'm going to be pressing later. But before continuing to this application, remember that this tutorial is for information, research and education purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the community laws, follow the internet service providers terms and conditions, and then let us update the servers. But update the servers needs a running data bundle. I'm going to press there, but I'm going to first activate my Wi-Fi so that I can be updating the servers. And then after, I'm going to close my Wi-Fi so that I can, after updating those servers, close any, because we need to set it up without, we need Airtel Uganda users to access it without any data bound on their SIM card. But let us continue, and then we download, we're going to go to the dial pad and then dial *100#. Option 2, which is data for devices, we're going to choose option 10, learn from home, option 2, then option 3 or 2 or 1 after buying, because I already purchased. After buying that, you'll have it. You can star 131#, and you have that 1 GB on your Airtel SIM card Uganda. Then let me show you how you're going to be setting it. We have the auto select server. You can choose a server that is near to your country's location, that is Uganda. Now we're going to be keeping up with the auto select server, and then don't change anything, leave it to all country free UDP. Then after, you press the start button. Here we have connected to a fast and stable internet access in Uganda right now, so you can add time and then enjoy. So I sign out.